How to delete Facebook block list. So there is a solution for this technically, and basically one of the only options you have. So Facebook does not offer a clear all or delete block list option, so the block list is permanent until you manually unblock each person. So first, we're gonna navigate ourselves to the actual block list. So you should be able to find it in your settings and privacy. Scroll down a little and you'll be able to see the blocking. So in your blocking, the only way to technically get rid of the list itself is to manually unblock each person. So there's no bulk delete or reset option. Apparently, there's no automatic clearing after time as well. And deleting your account is one of the only way to remove all blocks at once, which is not recommended. So each unblock must be done manually, and there is a 48-hour cooldown after unblocking because maybe you want to block them again. So it limits unblocking to prevent harassment abuse, stop block, unblock spam, or just to protect user safety. So again, you cannot delete or clear your Facebook block list completely, and you can unblock people one at a time only, which is one of your only ways to get rid of the list itself. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.